Anchal, yes, Pawnee. Okay, students. First of all, any chapter, if you want that it should be revised. Otherwise, I'll start with the triumph of surgery. Triumph of surgery. Yes. If you want to say anything, you can raise your hand. You can raise your hand if you want any other chapter to be discussed, any other topic to be discussed. Raise your hand. Come on. Yes, anyone? Okay, let's start. First of all, let's see what will be your exam UT1. Now listen, students, in your UT1 there will be total 50 multiple choice question, and all the question you have to answer, and all questions are optional type multiple choice questions. Okay, it means the writing section will not be there. Your grammatical section will be there, reading part will be there, passage from the lessons will be there, questions, again question will be multiple choice only, questions will be there, from the poetry also there will be a stanza. And now about your syllabus, two chapters from the supplementary reader, that is the triumph of surgery and the thief story. Triumph of surgery and thief story, this will be your syllabus. And from the prose, a letter to God and Nelson Mandela, long walk to freedom. Long walk to freedom, these two chapters. And poem, dust of snow and fire and ice. Dust of snow and fire and ice. Actually, letter to God and Nelson Mandela we discussed yesterday, and we are going to discuss now the triumph of surgery and the thief story. ये दोनों chapter we will try to revise, and I think next period will be on Monday. Monday we will take up the poetry as well as your little bit grammatical portion. And if you can tell the particular topic that it is to be revised, if you are having any sort of confusion, that will be revised. आपके ग्रामर में सभी आएंगे, पैसिव वॉइस है, टेंसेस हैं, determiners हैं, subject verb agreement है. Actually subject verb agreement is the integral part. Whenever you are writing everything, this topic comes into operation. Okay, so let's start with the chapter, the triumph of surgery. If you want to say anything, you can, any other chapter you can go. Yes, let me see once again. If you want to say any other chapter is to be revised, you can tell. Otherwise, I'll go for the triumph of surgery. Yes, triumph of surgery. Okay, let's start, students. Triumph of surgery. First, only brief summary, and I'll try to cover the questions. Okay, brief summary. The narrator of the story is Mr. Harriet. Actually, James Harriet is the writer and the narrator. There can be a question: who is the writer? James Harriet. James Harriet. Mr. Harriet, or you can say he was the narrator. He's a veterinary surgeon. Veterinary surgeon, जो पशुओं का डॉक्टर होता है, animal doctors. And he's really worried about the dog. जैसे उसने पहली बार देखा था, he was really worried. The condition of the Tricky was very bad because he was unable to walk properly. उसको ऐसा लग रहा था, it was just like a sausage जो फूला हुआ dead body होती है, and there were just legs and sport was there. And it's there was a dog. He was worried about the dog. Its name was Tricky. Sometimes there may be a very simple question: what is the name of the dog? And he was shocked to see with his mistress. His mistress, what was the name? Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey. It had become hugely fat. His eyes had become red. Tongue came out from its jaws. Tongue, उसकी जो जीभ थी, it came out from the jaws. जबड़े से बाहर आई हुई थी. And it was in a state of disease. Means he was in a very pitiable condition. उसकी condition काफी खराब. Tricky's mistress made Tricky. Actually, who is responsible for this? Tricky's mistress. उसकी जो मालकिन थी. Because she loved the dog very much, just like her son. उसको अपने son की तरह प्यार करती थी. And that she provided different type of bowls. उसको 3 टाइम का जो खाना खाता था, he used to eat in different bowls, अलग अलग बाउल्स में खाना खाता था. And he was having a dress for different season, अलग सीजन के लिए ड्रेस रखी जाती. It means she has spoiled actually. Mistress of the dog was Mrs. Pumphrey. She told Mr. Harriet that the dog seemed to have no energy. And doctor told that he was not given sufficient exercise and you should cut some food and especially the sweet item. उसके sweet item तो बिल्कुल बंद कर दो. Try to and give him more and more exercise. उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा exercise देने की कोशिश करो. Okay. But she told that our servant was on leave. हमारा is not feeling well. वो leave पे है and there is no means exercise, no play for this dog. Tricky के लिए कुछ नहीं है. And she thought that he is suffering from malnutrition. Now she means Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey ने सोचा वो malnutrition means कुपोषण का सवाल, not proper lack of proper or balanced diet. Balanced diet नहीं मिली है. So she started giving it extra. Instead of cutting down the food and giving more and more exercise, she started giving more food in between the meals. जो खाने के बीच में breakfast, lunch and dinner, इसके बीच में she started giving some extra. What was that? More Horlicks and malt, Horlicks, cod liver oil. All these things she started eating, and she also gave it some cream cakes and chocolate. Despite Harriet refused. Dr. Harriet, he told clearly that he needs simple food and more exercise. Then only he will become alright. तभी वो ठीक होगा. Now Harriet warning to Mrs. Pumphrey. उसने उसको warning भी दी. भाई what is the actually what you should do. Otherwise you will be in a trouble. बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Harriet looked at the dog again. Its big trouble was it because it had become greedy. वो बहुत ही greedy हो गया था that dog. And it did not refuse food at any time. वो खाना किसी भी टाइम मना नहीं करता था. मतलब any hour of the day, if food is given, he would tackle. वो उसको खा ही लेगा. It means he was greedy of food. This was also one of the reasons. And sometimes see optional question. What was the reason? Tricky's mother love and affection, over protection, over care, okay, overfeeding, and then Tricky's greediness for food. उसकी जो food की greediness लालच भी है. Then sometimes see option you have to read clearly. सही से option पढ़ लेना because sometimes there may be two options. कभी-कभी दो हो सकती है. Okay. So and Mrs. Pumphrey, if she had been giving the dog plenty of exercise, if she had been giving, अगर उसको दे देती तो problem would have not arise. इस तरह की problem बिल्कुल नहीं होती. She said that she had not. Mr. Harriet warned her if she did not cut his food and give him more physical exercise, and it would be really ill. It would be really ill. अगर उसको ज़्यादा exercise नहीं दी और उसका जो sweet things and all things, if it is not stopped, it would be really ill. ये बहुत ही really ill होगा. We have used it for the dog because normally for the animal we use it. Okay, what is the use of it? It कहाँ पर use होता है? One is where it is for the animal when we don't know the gender. For example, baby. अगर baby है, if you have to use the pronoun, you have to use it because we don't know whether he or she. Okay, gender we don't. And then time and temperature, season and everything that is use of it. So here it is used for the dog. And not cut its food and give it more physical exercise, it would be really ये बिल्कुल बीमार हो जाएगा. And you try to go through the detailed summary so that the short question answer, multiple choice answer can be given, means answer can be given correctly. आपके आंसर जो सही हो जाएंगे. The tricky to be in the hospital now after time. Now after this, actually Mr. Harriet, he thought that she's not going to do anything. वो कुछ नहीं करने वाली. And he was expecting a call from Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey से call expect. Within next few days, Mrs. Pumphrey told Harriet that Tricky did not eat anything. कुछ दिन के बाद she made a frantic call. उठाकर उसने उसको कॉल किया that Tricky did not eat anything. वो कुछ नहीं खाता था. And he refused to eat even his favorite dish. उसकी जो favorite dish थी, मतलब whatever the dish he liked most, जो सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद थी, पसंदीदा. And it spent all his time lying panting. means all the time he used to keep panting only, हाँपना, and he was lying on the rug, उस कंबल पर पड़ा हुआ था, means there was he was not moving at all, कभी भी move नहीं करा. The narrator has made his plans in advance because when he met first time Mrs. Pumphrey and she came to know about what is the treatment required, and certainly he was hoping, he was expecting that Mrs. Pumphrey would call him within a few days, थोड़े दिनों में, because he knew that she is not going to do anything, वो कुछ भी नहीं करने वाली. Okay, so there was a friendly call, and she made that Tricky did not eat anything and just he kept lying on the and panting, केवल वहां पर पड़ा हुआ और कांप रहा. The narrator has made his plan in advance, उसने पहले ही advance में plan बना ली थी. He told that if I'll give some medicine here, I don't think it will not be useful, कुछ भी use नहीं हो. And he suggested that Tricky should be hospitalized for about fortnight. Fortnight means 14 days. Fortnight means 14 days. उसको fortnight में उसको admit करना. Means immediately he told, okay, it is to be hospitalized. उसको hospitalized करना. Because otherwise he knew that if the dog is kept at home, it will not be treated. उसका treatment नहीं होगा. The lady almost became unconscious because she cannot live without that Tricky. Tricky के बिना वो जी नहीं सकती. That's why, and she was sure that it would die if he did not see it. उसको पक्का विश्वास था वो मर जाएगी अगर वो Tricky को नहीं देखेगी. This was the conviction, and that was the only main reason for the Tricky's illness. यही उसकी illness का main कारण. Tricky in the hospital. Now, when first he went to the hospital, when he was taken to the hospital, first of all, when he was carrying, and they tried to put all the stuff, so different clothes and balls and everything, play games, everything they started putting into the car of Mr. Harriet. Mr. Harriet की कार में डालना शुरू कर दिया, and the servants they were on their toes. बिल्कुल, it was work was going on war footing. मतलब एक युद्ध स्तर पर कार्य चल रहा था. All the servants they were bringing all the items. उसके अलग-अलग आइटम लेके आ रहे थे. And almost he immediately he started, otherwise the stuff would not be accommodated in the car. उस कार में वो इतना stuff ले आए थे, वो इतना सामान ले आए थे, वो उसमें मिलता नहीं. Okay, so Tricky in hospital. When he was taken to the hospital first, actually when he was taken to in his car, Mr. Pumphrey gave Tricky a belongings like bed, cushions, toy, and various ball, eat, foods, and all. And in hospital, he looked down at the dogs. They sniffed around it and ignored it because he did not know anything. He did not show any enthusiasm, any energy, and he was not interested in anything. That's why the dog, surgery dog, they came and sniffed around. उसके चारों तरफ घूम के गए, उसको सूंघा, and they just consider it a interesting object, एक uninteresting object समझकर उसको वो चले गए. Okay, this was the first day. Now what was the treatment given? उसको क्या treatment किया गया? Now at hospital, narrator kept an eye on Tricky for 2 days. For 2 days, he did not give anything, no medicine, even not food. खाना भी नहीं दिया था. He was only kept on water. It was kept on water. पानी के ऊपर. He gave it plenty of water, but no food. On the third day, now when he was kept under observation, उसको observe कर रहा था. It started whimpering on seeing other dog. दूसरे डॉग को देखकर उसने थोड़ा सा whimpering, making some sort of noise that I am also interested in moving with you. इस तरह की आवाज करना शुरू. And it followed them down to the garden. वो धीरे धीरे उनके पीछे गार्डन में चला गया. Later that day, और उस दिन later that day, the other dog had their food. जो दूसरे the other dog later that day, the other dog had their food. उन्होंने खाना खा लिया. When they had finished the trick, he walked around the bowl. Means first, actually the food was given all together. उनके सारों को इकट्ठा खाना दिया गया. And because he was living their very luxurious life, एक बहुत अच्छी जिंदगी जी रहा था. He never fought for his food and all. He was given comfortably in his own in its own bowl. उसके अपने बाउल में उसको खाना मिलता था. And that's why here he did not try anything. And he was, maybe he might be considering same thing that he would get in the separate bowl or special bowl, but it did not happen. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. When all the dogs they finished, and he went there and licking his bowls and all उनको चाटते हुए, because all the bowls were shining. सब चमक रहे थे बिल्कुल. Means they were cleaned up nicely. अच्छी तरह से साफ कर दिए गए थे. Tricky walked around the bowl. He also licked them, and it meant that he was hungry. अब उसको भूख लग रही. And he was given some food. It was उस दिन it was given some food. उसको थोड़ा सा खाना दे दिया गया. because it was the first day, पहला दिन हुआ. Okay, so let's, how many students now joined? 54. Yes. So he was given food little bit. Now the tricky shows improvement. Now there was improvement, rapid improvement. He was recovering very fast because he became the member of that surgery dog. Tricky started to show the progress. It was given no medical treatment. There was no medical medicine given to it. उसको कोई भी medicine नहीं दी गई. It ran about with the dogs all the day. सारा दिन वो all the surgery dogs and all, he used to run with them. उनके साथ दौड़ना शुरू कर देता था. It discovered the joy of being with the other dog, and now he was feeling very happy in the company of other dogs, दूसरे dogs. Meanwhile, Mrs. Pomfrey, now this was the treatment given. Now what happened to Mrs. Pomfrey? On the background, Mrs. Pomfrey continued ringing regularly. Every day, every hour, she used to ask about the well-being of it. Tricky. She used to inquire about the trickies. Tricky के बारे में पूछताछ करती थी. Near about 12 times in a day, she used to make call करती थी. And Mrs. Pomfrey continued, and she asked various questions about Tricky. But the narrator told that the dog was out of danger, and he proved that now it started recovering, and it is out of danger. Now she used to inquire 10 to 12 times a day. 10-12 बार वो फोन करके मिस्टर हैरियट से पूछती. ट्रिकी became all right. और जब ट्रिकी ठीक हुआ, now the Pomfrey started to bring around the fresh eggs. Now she started sending that because of the treatment and all, the dog maybe needed some extra food, उसको extra food. It means the balanced diet. It may be needed, उसको जरूरत हो सकती है. So to build up उसकी बॉडी को, because he was going under treatment चल रहा था, उसको build up करने के लिए, इसको build up करने के लिए, and the trick is strength. The narrator began giving Tricky wine before. Now the narrator began giving Tricky. Now Mrs. Pomfrey actually she started giving wine and eggs for the Tricky. Tricky के लिए उसने wines और eggs started sending. उसने भेजना शुरू कर दिया. And now the narrator he was enjoying with it. Whatever the items comes for Tricky, he used to enjoy. They used to enjoy. I mean the friends and all the other workers at the surgery, जो surgery पर दूसरे. And the dog Tricky wine before during the meal. The dog began to, and the Tricky had now become extra. Now Tricky they started giving extra eggs and all, and they used to enjoy. वो सारे enjoy करने लगे थे. Means whatever the food it used to come. Actually, there will be a question. When Brandy and all it started coming, they were tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. उसको Tricky को permanent guest रखना चाहते थे. Such a food they were getting. It was their ceremonial period was going on. उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा समय. Means it is a festivity period rather you can say. त्योहारों का जैसे खुशियां मनाने का टाइम आ रहा था. Because they used to have 12 eggs and all per day, and Brandy during the breakfast, during meal time they used to have, and they were enjoying. Nothing was given to Tricky. Tricky को इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं दिया गया था. And the Tricky now had one egg, and it had wine at noon, brandy. This is all, it is only for the narrator. It was sent by this Pomfrey. Mrs. Pomfrey ने भेजी थी ये Tricky के लिए. These are the eggs, this is the wine and all. And now he was enjoying this. Mrs. Pomfrey comes to take Tricky. Now after 14 days there was no choice, and the Tricky was all right. Tricky बिल्कुल ठीक था, उनकी कोई भी choice नहीं थी. And now there was no other option except to make a call. और उसने उसको Mr. Harriet made a call. उसने call किया that your dog is perfectly all right. You can collect here, waiting for your collection. आपका collection day. Within a few minutes, a very black shining car it came into the surgery. चमकती हुई car वहाँ पर आई, and Miss Pomfrey arrived at the narrator's surgery in a big car. She asked him if the dog was better, because she was not having any confidence. She was not sure whether the dog is all right or not. The narrator told her that the dog was fine, वो dog बिल्कुल ठीक है, and he would bring to the car. When Tricky saw his mistress, it ran into Mrs. Pomfrey's bed. जब उसने अपनी मालकिन को देखा, Just he made a jump and landed on her lap. उसकी गोद में जाकर उसने जंप करके गोद में जाकर गिरा. And it began licking her face and barking. उसको बात करना शुरू किया. After this one, and the narrator helped the driver to bring the trickies various things. So चीज वो वापस आए थे with the tricky, what are the things extra about clothes and all game sports item, whatever it was brought, everything it started giving back उसको वापस, because they have never used, ये कोई भी use नहीं हुआ. And Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out and she was moving. जैसे ही वो बाहर निकल कर जाने लगी, in the car she started going, she just leaned out of the window. Window से बाहर उसने lean करके, tears shone in her eyes, उसकी आंखों में अभी भी आंसू थे. Her lips trembled, उसके लिप कांप रहे थे. And the narrator said it was the narrator, and he told the narrator it was a triumph of surgery. ये एक आपकी सर्जरी का मतलब triumph, winning, जीत हुई, ये आपकी सर्जरी की जीत हुई. Okay. Yes, okay, students. Yes, students. Now it's your time regarding this chapter. इस chapter से आप पूछ सकते हो कोई भी. Just you have to raise your hand. आप अपने hand raise कर लो. Let's just raise your hand. Those who want to talk, raise your hand, please. Any student want to ask anything regarding this? Yes, you can raise your hand. Students, raise your hand. If you want to talk, if you got any problem in this lesson, इस lesson में अगर आपने कुछ बात करनी है, you can talk. Okay. If the lesson is clear to you, if lesson is clear, then okay. Row number 105, Gagan, raise your hand. If lesson is clear, अगर आपको lesson बिल्कुल समझ में आ गया है, you raise your hand. Gagan 105. It means Gagan may be from Raman. 105, Gagan. Don't start moving. जाना शुरू नहीं करना. Come on, Gagan, raise your hand. Yes. Okay. You are from Raman, I think. 105. Yes, Raman. Okay. Okay, thank you. It means from Raman side. Let me go to Kalam now. Okay, I think row number 46, Deepa. Raise your hand if chapter is clear. If chapter is clear to you, you raise your hand. Deepa, row number 46. Raise your hand if chapter is clear. If this chapter is clear, raise your hand. Okay, Kalam, let's come to the Newton. Newton. Okay, who will tell? Abhay. Yes. Abhay, row number 31. If lesson is clear to you, raise your hand. Come on. If lesson is clear to you, raise your hand. Abhay, raise your hand if chapter is clear to you. Come on, raise your hand. This option is there on your mobile. Okay, कभी ऐसे घर बैठे raise hand कर लो. I'll not be able to see. There is a yes. Where is Abhay? I think otherwise you are absent. It means. Okay, Aniket. Aniket, raise your hand if the chapter is clear. We will go for the next chapter. अगले chapter पर we will start another chapter. Come on, Aniket, raise your hand. Yes, it means chapter is clear. Okay, openly anyone wants to ask anything regarding syllabus, regarding UT1 question paper pattern, anyone wants to ask, you can raise your hand. आप अपने hand raise कर लो, we'll ask you to top. Okay, you can clear your doubt. Come on. Anyone? Okay, Anshika. Please unmute Anshika, sir. You can switch on your camera. Come on, switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Okay. Sir, unmute Anshika. Sir, please unmute Anshika. She wants to talk. Akash, sir. Unmute Anshika. I think host is not there. Akash, sir, please unmute Anshika. Anshika, try to speak. If your mic is open, let's see. No. Sir, please unmute Anshika. Let me come there. Yes. Unmute Anshika, sir. She wants to talk. Unmute Anshika. Unmute Anshika. She wants to talk. Yes. Sir, are you there? No one is. Sir, you can unmute. Unmute everyone for 10 minutes, sir. Akash, sir. Unmute everyone for 10 minutes. Let me talk. Unmute everyone, sir, please, for 10 minutes. Yes. Yes, students, I think host is not there. Okay, you can, by sending message, I think you can give me the questions. Question, you can ask your queries by sending message one by one. Let's see, we'll have a conversation. Come on. Anyone wants to ask, you send a message, I think you can send. Come on, send message. Yes. Yes. Send message, students, if you want. Sir, unmute everyone. Let's for 10 minutes. Yes, sir, syllabus में English grammar में कुछ और. Okay. Regarding this English grammar, your tenses use correct form of verb, subject verb agreement, determiners and passive voice. Determiners and passive voice. This will be, then we actually all multiple choice, maybe fill in the blanks, maybe in form of fill in the blanks, passive voice, determiners, and all this maximum it will be of 10 marks. Yes, any? Come on, send your message. One more message. Yes, anyone? Ask, you can keep on asking, no problem. Grammar, tenses, determiners, yes. Determiners, tenses, passive voice, subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. And if you want any topic is to be revised, I think Monday we will get chance. Monday ko class hongi, on that day we can discuss. Yes, Avni, sir, please कल paragraph वाला topic करा देना. Paragraph we will do after UT1. because this paragraph and all, it will not come in your UT1 exam. अब ये paragraph नहीं आएंगे बेटा UT1 में. And for 2 days we will give time for the preparation of UT1 revision के लिए, or your problem taking, whatever problems are there, that will be discussed during it. After that, in case any problem comes, we will start fresh. And regarding paragraph, the way the more we go for practice, we will come to know how to write a paragraph, and certainly we will go with that. दोबारा फिर करा देंगे any paragraph. I'll explain once again on the board. Board पे फिर करेंगे, but for the 2-3 days and before this unit test, because now it is not a part of unit test. In unit test, only multiple choice question will be there, and that is your grammar section, your literature part, and your this one reading section, passage and all. Paragraph, unseen passage will be there. Okay. Yes. Write down. Anyone wants to ask anything, you can write. Yes, students, send message if you want to ask anything. Come on, keep on sending message if you want to ask anything. आप message भेज दो. Come on, send message for any queries. कोई भी queries हो आप बता दो. Yes. Grammar chapter. There are 2 chapters, 2 poems. And all the question will be of multiple choice. 50 question होंगे आपके multiple choice, and there will not be any choice, only multiple choice. Okay. Yes. Anyone wants to ask anything, send message. Let me see. Was there was some message regarding grammar. Who has asked this grammar doubt? Come on, once again write the message. Once again write message if you are having any doubt. I'll clear once again. Write your message for grammar. What queries you are having? क्या queries थी आपकी? Come on, write message please for the grammar who has written, or even any other student also can write. दूसरे student भी, actually it is going very fast from the screen. I could not catch it. Yes.